Meaning of downswing.
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 Downswing. The term downswing generally refers to a negative trend or decline in a specific activity or situation. It may indicate a decrease in financial markets, a slump in economic growth, a decline in business profits, or a drop in individual performance levels. Downswing can cause adverse consequences such as layoffs, bankruptcy, and lower living standards. It can also lead to reduced confidence and motivation, which may perpetuate the downward spiral. Therefore, it is crucial to identify the root causes of downswings early on and take appropriate measures to mitigate their impact.